Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this is gonna be all edits in Fortnite. I'm gonna do every single edit for every single building piece, and like walls is a lot. There's like 20 or something like that. So we got True Heart right here and best mates. I'm gonna zany it up, and then I'm gonna golf ball. No, Justin, how do you? Did I think I hit the ball. Pretty sure. Let's do this. But first is every single wall edit. And we're going to do, so we have each example on its normal walls first. Look at that. So, yeah, that's normal. You just don't have to do anything. You just don't have to do anything. Next is the window. So we have one, just that, so like right there, boom. So we're gonna have one example and then how to do it. So that there's a double window, which is the same thing but on the other two. Then we have a door. So the door actually works on any of those sides, but you just do two down. Then a door and a window is the next. So it's that, then that. It could be on the other way around too, like that. But basically, that's how you do that one. Then is the like the half the wall and then a door. So it's that, and hold on. Yeah, that. There we go. Boom. It works the other way too. Like it works that way too. So, and then we have the arch. So the arch is right that, and then it's just like a bottom, like a T.
Yeah.
And then that's that one.
I'm playing my mini game.
There is a like a 3, which is equals like a half triangle sort of thing. It works on any of the corners. Okay, so then we just have like half wall, and it's just the top off. Like you could jump over it too. It's just the top, simple. Then is only like a railing sort of thing, so it's that. So just the top, the whole top off in the middle. Next is like the small one with just one of them off, and it works the other way too. So that to keep that in mind. We're gonna have this one is just the wall. Then we have like this, just that. So we just take the whole. It also works the other way, and this one's like, it's all the way in there, and that's every single wall edit in Fortnite. Alright, so here's the pyramid edits. Justin's building over there for the next edits, but we have the regular pyramids, you know, just whatever. Then we have like the sort of, it's like a triangle thing. It's like you just lift one up. It doesn't matter, any one, just one, any of the one. So let's just do that. There we go. Then we have like a stair. It works as a stair. You just have to lift two right there. No two diagonal from each other, two straight right next to each other. Then we have like this weird sort of thing here. It's just that. I don't know how you need that for, but it's a pyramid edit. It's like a stair and then another stair down. But yeah, okay, next is the it's just one up, like there's like 3 up, and then that would do it. Next is each stair edit. So first is so this is the regular stair, which is right here. Boom. You don't have to do anything about that. Next is like half of it. It's just that. Like you just go bam. It works anyway either. It could go that way, it could go the other way. It doesn't matter. Next is going to be the one like that and then up. It's simple. Just go hold the RT down or your edit button. Just hold it down and go like up and then to the side. You could go the other way too. And then this one is just, hold on. is just all the way, and then you have that, and that's pretty. And the stairs really is not that much stairs. Okay, florets. Beware, there's an epic fail coming up. So yeah, it's just funny to watch. It's an epic fail. This is just a thing that happened when we were doing it. Wow. Good job, good job, good job. The first one is just a regular floor. It's whatever. We got birthday sprays. Justin's gonna show that off. But yeah, that's just okay. The next is just any one like that. Boom, boom. So yeah, any one in the corner, and then having that's just half of it, not diagonally, not like that. But that is an edit, and then we have that. That works. So we're just gonna, yeah. Then we have just any one corner, just like that, any one. It doesn't matter. And then we have one more. It's just, you know, that one, that diagonal. It's kind of cool because like you can do some cool stuff with that. But goodbye. So this is the end of it, and if you enjoyed, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you learned some edits and everything. We got some true heart and stuff like that again. So, and that's pretty much the video. So goodbye.